Thank you for staying with us. Despite the worsening humanitarian situation in the country, immediate former devolution CS Eugene Wamalwa says the government will fight to the end to combat the drought menace in the country. Speaking in Habaswein, Wajir County, during the launch of relief food distribution, Wamalwa, who is now the Defense CS, said hundreds of households have benefited from 199 million shillings disbursed through the Kenya Development Response to Displacement Impacts Project. Ahmed Hussein reports from Wajir.
Situation in the country continues to get worse. The government says it will continue with food and water supply to those most affected by the ravaging drought. Outgoing devolution CS Eugene Wamalwa says it is all system go in the fight against the drought.
So leo nimefika hapa Wajir kuanzisha zoezi hilo la ugavi wa chakula. Kile chakula tumeleta leo ni cha kuanzisha tu, msione ni kidogo. Tuko na chakula cha kutosha. Na hiki kikikwisha tutaongeza kingine tena, na sio tu kwa mwezi huu, hadi mwezi wa 12 Disemba, hadi tuwe na mvua na chakula cha kutosha.
The CS further said the government through the K Dr. Deep project had helped cushion many residents in the ASAL regions against further damages.
Leo nimekuwa naambiwa na kikundi cha kina mama Jiko Women, sijui kama wako hapa, wamenionyesha maajabu pale sana kwa mradi wa K Dr. Deep. Na wamesema ya kwamba sababu ya uhaba wa maji na chakula, sasa kwa nyumba lazima unatengeza chakula unapea watoto, na pia chakula unapea mbuzi wako, unapea wa mifugo yako.
Leaders from the county hailed the government's efforts with the short-term interventions, but warned the humanitarian situation could get worse.
It is a time of drought. It is a time when there is crisis in terms of humanitarian aspects. And this was a timely support that your government, Mr. President, has given us. So, Waziri, please pass that very, very important message.
As the county government, we are doing water tracking, and we have engaged almost 30 or about 30 trucks to track water to over 115 centers across the county.
The National Drought Management Authority says the drought situation, which has been declared a national disaster, is alarming on a day where the government flagged off water tracking and livestock feeds projects in Habaswein town.
Currently, we are on alarm and on worsening trend. Definitely, the body condition of our livestock are very poor.
As a mode of intervention, though, the county government of Wajir, through the Department of Livestock, also launched over 4,000 bales of hay to livestock farmers from more than 20 centers badly hit by the drought. Ahmed Hussein, KTN News.